Honorable Canada, Japan. And I may be Kosoa if you say I did.
I was from Mamma Makwaba at the Bagana and S3nsible so. But I'm this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time. Videos of this nature about also submit to my cabinet. So watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. For you need dream say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for you na what to. I'm more ready. The need to Sudan say man we need that to be. Now the be a mekasim be say amanya some ye no. So what money under wa. Ho be chelo pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Ni enko ko video bi mra. Na video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Momi enko mra sisi.
Honorable Canada, Japan. And I may be Kosoa if you say I did a check.
Okay.
But then in your my corner, you did say, no, 1 year fair to young followers, I didn't know.
Oh, are they?
Yes. Because politics now, Sabi, MPP, no, you do MPP and Sana, it be our crowd political ambition, ever president.
Yeah.
And if he say, Ubetimi aboa from ideas a wo de ba ye ne se na ehu ni se na ye gidi a ye owo mu no ubetimi aboa ma enyoma akoyi ama no but nyame anim akoye bibi e ho a amate say ye ni a ye support Honorable Ken no ye di yaw as a party no ye nka ho.
Oh
yes. Because you started this year, selections, internal elections. Now, the idea that was from police station level, now you yink of war support to Honorable Ken.
Okay.
Party process them. Now, so ya antehwe don't di wachi ya omu nyina press obenya di bia o party num enka obe consider nka ne omebi o anka wonka. Aya my ne amase say ye mu bobre no a ye kai wonder so say ye pese politics ye de koye ni mu no because of we sacrifice ye political ambition about unti amaye say ye nyina ye hu de ye ama ne MPP atimu no atimu de say wo Oko baby a na oko baby a ye to aba du ho na say wo obi a wo affiliation with Kena de e kan say we mo ye ken ko fo mo to ma wo. Oh, let's just say ne Ken for obi a support to Ken bia no. There's a wo no onya party papa and say won sem fata say be ma odi bia o party no. But wo padi na adi wachi no. See ye to aba wie ye no ano no. Ye ntie won ka bi. E ko si say na no obedi birthday ya obekasa ye. And wait till I was having cancer to party. And sir, now would jeopardize your political you internal party. I'm about to say, I will be our affiliation with Honorable Ken Obenya Obama Quamana Ako. But who I do what you know, who's whom young we him say a qua na ye ba. Until say, dear, you do what you know, and for so ben I was.
Yeah, I get you.
What you say? So we a leader. Now him so when pam do what here. Many pan in who obujina bre. Na say ni pan be 12 among no akọ ni ma na so be kọ na chia no hu ne awo ye. What you say? Enti ayo how kase here. Last time the America to no. So ba ka 2023. Ye na ye kọ de Honorable Kenachi ekoye support no ye campaign. Ye wie no me ameti hai enka se sabre kwa no enka me regional communication member na say national. But because of Kennington, you few and see a team and see a campaign where you create a town for my who by enemies to the party leadership. You now copy any campaign, one consort to one carry. You who answer on it flag bearer no enam. na ye mu still no na fe
okay, I get your point.
Ye tim e wase ho ya ye hu ye nim ye na so tim besi na me there was a time I say Eid Fitr ye ko sala and go for threaten my wife because of say me kasama honorable Ken.
Oh,
what you say be no nyina akiri no e de enya firim ye hu ye nim wontimi emwa nkofo anu kasa se ne ye ko se na me ko se na me ye dabi that you want Jenny power manipa adi wachi ma fe ye bi aye basa timi de make on record na say me de nyame anim no kura nim ma support honorable Ken for all these years but ene free na ekro me support honorable Ken bi because this kind of leadership no me who be that as I said, when I would direct it, or followers. And the Parudu are talking about even recently, delegate are talking about almost 20 to over 23,000. The staff were when you know what you're more at is animal. Yeah, yeah.
Obeti atechem. Was rose obeko ti bi aman for wo na ye tua uka taxpayers money and na ye di tua uka. Ghana for one my yensensi form papa. One my Ghana for esi form. Now I don't blame you. Me blame Ghana for na enya daje ko sell lie eto Amasaman because wo betena so for good 12 years. Wo be ye vice president. Ema wu jade atamos ewu ye. Ye disa show nsama wo buye. Wo wie wo se wo nye president da. Ema ye vote ma wo ma obedi 4 years aye 8 years. Wo se a we twa 4 years chinchina ye sama wo mra se who betwa 12 good years. Who to me nyeshe. Who promises and kukwan ketenkete omo adwane and confirm a wodi buy omo ko Burkina. Koko fu a who promise you omo se obetu ebula ama koko farmers bia who buy wa beti koko no so ewum. Won san so ntuaka we firi omo koko wodi omo ka. Who buy who see agenda 111 ye hu hwe afina who see market aye abeifo kodi dwa na access amanfo kodi dwa wom ye nti ase who be sorry e na we see market in the bathroom we he efiri Kwame Nkrumah time market bie ni Ghana a bathroom ni toilet enim ewo mu di dada wo ewo mu edi dada na ya nkoto ayeda enso efa enkrofo a wo se den ya nkoto ayeda we are disappointed to Ghanaians. We are very incompetent. Incompetent President Mahama administration. What disappointed Ghana for? Wo nyame eyineni efri oso nyame nsan ni oso. Won kwa wo ba power. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting president ewu. Mun kwa mo party and a sitting vice president ewu. Mun kwa mo party o. Mukwa mu party me say balok di wechi no Ghana for ansha this 2 years aka no ahohie hia wo balok di Ghana for be komu no esu bi mbada o
Bibia asay wo hwe your sports are say hwe Black Stars afa Black Stars omuntimi hwe goal biom
ni incompetence na wonu mu no wodi be ya ne nte be ne ya nte obedi kan appointed the akire wo se wo na wo testa so na for ni na ekire no such an incompetency ye the world cup na be fie Brasters ya she goals say woto e bi nsi da
wodi be man ko foforo won ma assembly won ma sanitation bio anya wa sanitation for this sika yakwaji loan na breast sanitation for mu fa nyehwe na wo ba obeje fi sanitation for na wo je ye no enya wa sako hwe no sako shi tata nso tonso na baby shi who ya dio nkwa ho ba eja hihie Mr. Pad unya ba perfect intro say what pad saka wide wo do say pad na be ye bibia mo It took about 15 minutes. You can even waste as much as 1.5 hours. So we are just pleading. They should just come to our aid. Make it a little more trouble so that it will be. I'm a teacher and I'm still here. My learners are in school waiting for the teacher and the teacher is still here. So we are just pleading. They should just come and fix it for us. We beg them. How long have you been waiting? Oh, I got here for almost 4 hours. Yeah, if I'm not, yeah, 4 hours. Because I got here before 6 o'clock and we are still here. It's 9 something. So it's more than almost 3-4 hours we've been here. And so these are the more residents who are gathered here, sharing their flight here. I understand your frustration, but let me engage some of the organizers of this particular demonstration. Now we understand you've blocked the road for close to 3 hours. She says she's a teacher. She's not able to go to school. So how long are you going to continue this?
Amasaman, more than 4 hours. More than 4 hours.
Simu de bia ye kan ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections eko, e no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana for say me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals and the is yenime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals are all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go on and no women say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It is a kind of country that was I would to me was oh, I mean, say almost same people for comfort. Name my comfort my sacrificing discard to what the hospitals are most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator is on the funded free seniors who some are comfort. You see, I ain't gonna for debut. Na fe na tables na tani afi dem mokekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect, omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ye ho. 2020 Jua, then we will know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono ba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na nkasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. Is any one there? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa, and I feel them watch them. Me na warning was such a me me na me go catch you Rajon Dramani mama so all members come to one. Yewa. Digitalization you start to say yeah, most there be. Digitalization and to kinki, it mo pe kinki sika. It's a mamu papa na ba, omo mamu kinki, and mamu ade na mo kam. You come here. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not if I say and can form Gafon catch up say, oh Gafon de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu here utilization bia. And I Gafon so okay me beto aba na ma boom 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 boom. Mo to aba ma kinki government it me
Say dey go ye kra dey menu now to me who letter be a yoko for Troy about Council of State member voter region. Now me say fiams hey Ramona Chapa ya hype say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okay, the letter now was say Council of State member no were former staff Emanam 1, which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time. Nam 1 I post. Oh yes, Nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you. We say, oh, the panel boy.